So this is the cassava tuber, which will eventually turn to Abachammiri after processing it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. It's your lovely sister Mirian Dike. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. In my channel, I do vlogs, teaching, I show you my lifestyles, reaction videos, and also I sing a lot. So guys, in this video, I want to show you guys how you can do your Abachammiri at home. This is a requested video. When I posted one of my videos where I made Abachammiri, most of my views told me to show them how I did it. So because I showed where I have already prepared it, just made it was just in this bowl too. So and now I want to show how you can do it from scratch, as in from basic ground, how you can do it. For my old subscribers, you guys are amazing. I welcome you again for coming to check on me. I am grateful. I appreciate your coming. So let's get started. As you can see, what we have here is this grater, my bowl, stainless bowl, my knife. Sorry guys. That's all we need for the making of Abacha. So as you can see, I cut here and here because I can't use it here. Some will say it got spoiled, but no, it's not that it got spoiled, but it's now like a kind of fermenting here because of the hotness of the weather. We all know that we are in summer, so this type of process is the process it goes when you want to eat it, like to leave it to become what we called akpu in Nigeria. At it. It's already fermenting like apple. Did you see it? Yeah. So now I have already washed it very well, dry it. So now I'm going to cut it into 3 parts. Yeah, after cutting here out, I'm going to cut it into 3 parts, and this one 2 parts. This one is just okay. I'll just cut here off and here, this spoiled place. Then put it in the pot and start cooking it. I will cook it for 10 minutes, but we'll start counting once it starts boiling. Then I'll start counting my 10 minutes. Guys, take a look at that. It's already 10 minutes. So I'm going to bring it down, transfer it to a tray, allow it to cool down before going to the next step. So my lovely people, I will go ahead right now and start removing the back. As we all know, if you are from Africa, precisely in Nigeria, you know that Abachammiri is always good in summer. That is hot weather. Why? Because it cools the body. When you are eating it, it cools the body and makes you feel good. If you want to eat it with coconuts, yeah, this is the way you should do it. You can do it in 2 different methods. So guys, right now I will start putting it in the shape I want it to be, which is 2 different shapes that we normally do it or make it to be in Nigeria. So sometimes, or will I say most of the time, I used to cut mine with knife, because for me I find out that here is more, it makes the abacha to be bigger. But if you use knife, you can cut it the way you want it to be. Like I'm cutting it right now like this, then I'll use my hand to cut it like this. This is the one you can use to eat your coconuts, granuts, fried breadfruits, and palm kernel nuts. This is the method you'll use if you want to use it to eat any of these I have mentioned. Guys, I just want to show you why I said that I don't like to use here. I always prefer to use hand with knife, as in to cut it with my hand. It will still give you that shape, it's just that I don't like it. I don't know why. I prefer using my knife, because I'm used to use knife. Yeah. Okay, look at this one now. I have to keep it and use knife to cut it again. So take a look at that. It's just the same, but it's just that it's very light. You see? So it depends on the way you want it to be. It's either you make it to be big like this and start cutting it, or you cut it into two and make it small, and it will be very light like this. But look at the one I cut. It's a little bit thick, not so light. Yeah, that's the way I like my abacha. I don't like my abacha to be like so light. Look at it. But normally that's the way it's supposed to be if you want it like this. You can cut it in any shape you want. So I want to show you guys, if you want to use here, how it will be. So using this side, just one way side, like this. Don't go another way, just like this, one side. So my people, be careful with your hands, because of if your grater is so sharp, it can give you a wound. So because I've been using my own, it's not so sharp again. Yeah, I'm good to go. So right now, is it? Yeah, look at it. That's the way it should be. So this is the method you can use if you want to do dry one. Yes, if you want to know also how to do the dry one, don't forget to let me know on the comment section. Then I can show you how you can do your dry abacha African salad, how you can do your dry one. And this is the right time. Now we are in summer. This is the right time. You can start doing it if you want to do it, so that you have enough abacha dry one you can be using during winter season. Yes, if you are lovers of abacha like me. If you want to do your Abachammiri, it's good to start in the night or in the evening, so that you leave it in the water it to be all night. Then following morning you can now wash it, remove the water, change water again. Yes. Take a look at that. So that's the way it should be. You must make sure that water covers it. You set it aside. If you have cover, you can cover it. For me, I like to cover it. I always like to cover my own. So it will be here till tomorrow morning. I'll set this one aside till tomorrow morning. Then we will continue. So don't skip, keep. So guys, I just want to see the outcome of the Abachammiri we started yesterday. Right now the time is 10:15 a.m. So right now I will go ahead and start washing it. So let's take a look at the first one, how it's looking like. Wow, guys, look at it. Did you see how the water is? Yeah. So I'll go ahead right now and start washing it. I'll wash it just for 2 times, then add another fresh water on it. Then set it aside. So fresh, guys. So guys, this one is done. Just take a look at that. Take a look at it. Oh my god. I don't play with Abachammiri. I'll now set this one aside. When I want to eat it, then I'll now put salt on it. If you like, it's optional. So I'll go ahead and cover it again. So let's take a look at this one. Wow, just look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Just look at it, guys. So I'll go ahead and wash it just like I did to the other one. It's very easy, very, very easy to do. So take a look at that. Good to eat. So I'll also set it aside and cover it. Beautiful people, now it's ready. You can eat it if you want. Add salt like this, but for me, I like to eat it with coconut, and I don't have presently coconut in my house or groundnut. Any of them is not here right now. So I'll first of all go for shopping, buy it, then the kids can eat it. So guys, that is it for this moment. See you guys later. So right now I'll use this plate. Before taking it, I always like to add some salt inside it. Yeah. Woo! Abacha dịkwa ụtọ, onye takwa n'ibe ya tanu. Abacha is good though. If you eat, you give your sister. Woo! Who wants Abachammiri? Who wants Mirian Abachammiri? Oh. With coconut. Who want Mirian Abachammiri? So guys, this is the way you eat it. Put it like this. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is good. And guys, this coconut is very, very good. As in natural taste. Oh my god. So guys, look at my water. Here comes the end of this video. As for this one, guys, no time. I can't do this one again. So if you want me to show you what I did with this one, you can write on the comment section. Then I'll go ahead and show you guys what I did with this one. So, but this one you're seeing right here, Mirian and Dike is catwalking in the parlor. I'm catwalking down to my parlor to go and download it with my beautiful babies. Oh yes. I have babies, not baby. I hope you enjoy watching how I prepared this Abachammiri and the coconut named Akubeke in Igbo language, precisely from Nigeria. So I believe that you can do it on your own. Yes, it's very, very simple. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, that is, if you know that you have not subscribed to this amazing channel, please just make iyanga. Do a small iyanga for me and click to that red letter that says subscribe. And whenever I upload, you will be my VIP. Thank you so much and may you remain blessed. Bye.